Eating is such an important part of our lives. In fact, something that's really common between the Spaniards and us Indians is our love for food. Olives are the heart of Mediterranean diet, which is known to be super healthy around the world. It's full of veggies, nuts and seafood. And today, I'm making something on similar lines. Let's make some yummy zoodles with prawns and olives. But what are zoodles? पूछो पूछो They are nothing but zucchini noodles. Zucchini तो हमें आसानी से मिल जाता है. अब एक spiralizer की मदद से आप उसके noodles बना सकते हैं. Don't get scared by the look of the spiralizer. अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है तो अलग-अलग किस्म के peelers मिलते हैं जिसके थ्रू या mandolin के हेल्प से आप इस तरह के noodles बना सकते हैं. ठीक है? तो बस अब इसे हम attach करेंगे इस तरह से and yippee dippy noodles, yippee dippy noodles. बस अब एक प्लेट में निकाल लेंगे. And here you have zoodles. तो हमारे zoodles ready हैं. Okay, now to a hot pan we are going to add some olive oil. Well, you can add any cooking oil of your choice. So first goes our chopped garlic. Then we add these nice sliced almonds to give a bite. And then we'll add a little bit of chili flakes straight into the oil so it releases this color and flavor into the oil itself. Now I'm going to add prawns to my pan, okay, and ensure at this point that the pan is on high flame because you want to cook the prawns really quickly. Now you have to ensure that you don't overcook your prawns, okay? So be very careful and man this. I'm going to season this with some salt, some pepper. I'm going to add a dash of lemon juice to this. Well, you cannot get the aroma, but I can, and it's absolutely delightful. And now in goes the magic ingredient in this recipe, some olives, which is going to totally complement the flavor of prawns. Also, in terms of fat, you know, the great, good quality fat of olives goes really well with the protein of the seafood. So it's really a match made in heaven. Okay, so tossed in the olives. And finally, my zoodles. And that's how quickly this is done. With maximum flavor and minimum effort. Parsley leaves and a couple more thumbed black olives. And what makes these olives so special is the fact that they blend in so beautifully and so easily with so many recipes. How did you like my zoodles with prawns and olives? I'm sure you loved it. Doesn't this look so simple yet elegant? Well, that's the beauty of olives. They just make any and every dish so sophisticated. Get creative with more such recipes on our social media handle, Olives from Spain, India. And don't forget to try this recipe, tag me and let me know how they turned out.